Hello, let us solve one question to get 2021 Mathematics Linear Programming Problem. Consider the LPPP maximize 2x1 plus 3x2 subject to 2x1 plus x2 less than equal to 6 minus x1 plus x2 less than equal to 3 x1 plus x2 less than equal to 3 for x1 greater than equal to 0 and x2 greater than equal to 0. Then optimal value of the dual of P is equal to this. Now this LPP is primal dual, but we have to find the optimal value of dual of primal. To solve this question, we have to note some result. Result 1. If the primal has bounded optimal solutions, means if this system means primal dual has bounded optimal solution, then the dual has also bounded optimal solution, and vice versa. Means if primal has bounded optimal solution, then dual has bounded optimal solution, and if dual has bounded optimal solution, then primal has optimal solution. And note 2 is if primal dual is unbounded optimal solution, then for dual primal there is no feasible solution. Means if this primal dual has unbounded optimal solution, then its dual primal has no feasible solution. And note 3, no feasible solution in primal dual. If this primal dual has no feasible region, then either dual problem has unbounded solution or no feasible solution. Means if this primal dual has no feasible solution, then its primal dual means its dual primal has unbounded solution or no feasible solution. Since it is a numerical type question, so forget about note 2 and note 3, because for note 2 no feasible solution and for note 3 no feasible solution or unbounded solution, because since it is a numerical type question, so note 1 is true. So for this we have to find first the optimal solution of primal dual. Then if the optimal solution is bounded, then the solution of dual of primal is bounded, and the suboptimal solution primal dual is same as the optimal solution of the dual primal. Now the L1 line is 2x1 plus x2 is equal to 6, which is plotted by L1 this line, and the L2 line is minus x1 plus x2 is equal to 1, and the line will be this line, and the line L3 is equal to x1 plus x2 is equal to 3, and the line will be this line. Now we have to find the feasible region. Now for line 1, 2x1 plus x2 less than equal to 6 region will be this region, and for L2 minus x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1, the region will be in this direction. And for L3, the region x1 plus x2 less than equal to 3, the region will be in this direction. So the feasible region will be this region, name as A, B, C, D. Now we know that the optimal solution exists at their vertex point. Now here the vertex A will be 0, 0, and vertex B will be 3, 0, vertex C will be 0, 1, and we have to find vertex D will be 0, 1, and we have to find vertex C. By solving, we have to find this point, so solve this line and this line, means we have to solve line L2 and L3. Now line L2 is minus x1 plus x2 is equal to 1, and line L3 is x1 plus x2 is equal to 3. This implies that x2 is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to 1. So the vertex C will be 1, 2. Now we have to find now the vertex of the feasible region is A 0, 0, B 3, 0, C 1, 2, and D 0, 1. Now we have to find Z equal to 2x1 plus 3x2, Z at A is equal to 0, Z at B is equal to 6, Z at C is equal to 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, Z at D is equal to 3, and the maximum value of Z is 8. So optimal value of Z is equal to 8 for the primal dual. Now previously we said that if the primal dual has bounded region, then the dual primal has also bounded region, and the optimal value for both primal dual and dual primal is same. So we find that the optimal value of primal dual is 8. So the dual primal has optimal solution as 8. So for this question, the numerical answer will be 8. Thank you.